Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your DualSense controller, your PlayStation 5 controller. This might be useful if you're having faults. Very easy process to do. At the back here we have two holes. The bottom hole is the microphone. Don't touch that. It's this little one here next to where it says Sony. We need to get something like a paper clip, and there's a little button in there. You press it down for 5 seconds and it will disconnect the controller from the PlayStation 5. It will then come up on screen that the controller has been disconnected, and then to reconnect again you have to use a USB cable, just like you did when you first of all bought your PlayStation 5. So I'm going to put it in here now. You will feel it click a little button, so press it in now. So I felt a little click. I'm going to hold it in for 5 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and you can see on screen there it's come up with it. I'm now letting go from the paper clip, so I'm letting go off the button now, and now that has been reset. So we're now going to have to reconnect it, because if I try to turn it on, we'll just have this little blue light here that won't do anything. Now make sure you have the correct cable to do it. If you've got the one you got with the PlayStation 5, perfect. If you were just to use any old cable, it might not work like this one here, because this is charging only. It hasn't got the pins for data. There's just 2 wires in here, not 4. So if I plug this one in, I can hit this all day long and it will charge, but it won't connect to my PlayStation 5. So if it's not reconnecting for you, try another cable, a known working cable. Now I'm going to plug this one in here. This is actually for a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, but it will work just fine. So now when I hit the PlayStation button, you can see now we're connected again and it is now working. And the controller's been hard reset. Hopefully that will fix your problem. We can unplug it, and of course it will work wirelessly now from now on. Thanks for watching.